If you've ever seen the ads for TD Bank, you'll know all about the big green chair. It's the symbol that TD uses to get across the idea that banking can be a comfortable experience.
Once you're online as an educational institution, you can reach the world. It's very important for women to play a leadership role as CEOs.
Have you ever really seen a business intelligence solution that delivered the level of value that you expected?
We actually built a data warehouse, which was a buzz those days,
Yeah.
and we built a data warehouse, and we did, as I was just saying, we started with one particular business sector within our organization, and we built all the business data around that particular sector and proved its value, proved its viability, and we happen to use financial data.
Most times we go out and talk to kind of CIOs, there's way too much focus on cost and there's not enough focus on, hey, how can I drive the business forward and how can I help increase revenue?
In Stratford, I believe in what's called the triple helix model, coming together of government, academia, and of course the private sector.
This is my new smartphone. At least I think it's smart. I bought it because it has dual processors, a recent version of Android, and it's got a large touchscreen. When I took it out of the store, I thought I knew the important basic stuff, like how to answer the phone. You touch the screen. So there I was, a few hours later, trying to answer a call by pushing on the screen. No dice. You see, many Android phones don't work that way. You answer a call by sliding an icon one way or another.
Microsoft Canada has opened a 20,000 square foot technology center in its Mississauga, Ontario headquarters. At a price tag of $20 million, the Microsoft Technology Center is the first of its kind in Canada. Stacey Tracky-Mahar, Vice President, Enterprise and Partner Group for Microsoft Canada, explains how this technology center will make an impact on the Canadian economy.
Canada has a huge opportunity to really take advantage of what they've got and innovate their way through and beyond. If you look at some of the statistics that have come out, from an innovation standpoint, Canada still sits in the middle. And when you look at what the opportunity is to really connect technology into what we can do in this economy, really drive forward what we're doing with our partner community around this, and really drive true business solutions that can take Canadian businesses, the government, forward to really compete in this new era, in these new ways. I think that was one of the major reasons why we wanted to have a hub here. In the center that we have 10 Microsoft employees and about 35 solution specialists that we're working through here. But that's just us. Our partners will be floating through the center all the time. Obviously, $10 million of the $20 million center is owned by our partner community. But on top of it, it's our partners that really light up the solutions to really make them a reality for our customers. And Microsoft builds tremendous platforms that allow them to really build on that. So our partners walking through and bringing customers through this facility, using it as their own, is really imperative to us to make this successful.
I think what makes this technology center different from all the other technology centers in the world, I believe I deviated from the traditional designs and challenged the norm. So if you look at our feature wall, which is that wall as soon as you walk in with the 82-inch PPI screen flanked with 7 touch-enabled Windows 8 machines or Windows 8 screens, all lit up with laser light show, that resonates very well with many of the MTC architects around the world and also our customers. So that definitely deviates from a lot of the technology centers in the world. In addition to that, this is a 2-story MTC. So you have a lot of real estate on the first floor, such as our interactive center, but at the same time, we have a tremendous facility on the second floor. That again deviates from a lot of the different MTCs around the world. And I think this other things that we're looking at too is we really focused on beautiful interactive experiences where we have multiple device bars throughout the facility, giving our customers the ability to interact, explore throughout the facility. We'll have a lot of engagements from strategy briefings, architecture design sessions, and proof of concepts. I don't have the exact number offhand, but I believe we touched 10,000 engagements last year over 31 MTCs. So in this facility, you're probably looking at potentially doing an engagement 2 to 3 times a week per architect, times the amount of architects and our partners. So you're looking at whatever that math would be, maybe 2 to 3 a week.
This might look like a bus stop, but it's actually a mobile vignette inside what Microsoft calls the Envisioning Center, part of their new technology center that they just launched today. Solution providers can use this area for proof of concepts to get real-world experiences like a mobile bus stop or an international office or a remote office or even an industry-specific area like oil and gas or a retail environment. Microsoft is making this area available to solution providers on a first-come, first-served basis. I'm Paul Dunley-Bledsoe for CDN Computer Dealer News at Microsoft headquarters in Mississauga, Ontario.
A number of things are happening across the country right now in relationship to Invest Crowdfund Canada, which is an organization that's supported by CATA, the Canadian Advanced Technology Association, IT World Canada, the Global Crowdfunding Professional Association, and Helix Commerce, the company that I also own.